In the year 1888, the blizzards came like judgment over the Nebraska plains. The Omaha Daily Bee would later call her a miracle, but in that moment, Mary Allen was just a mother with nothing left to lose. For 6 days, snow fell without mercy, swallowing the world, burying her cabin in white silence. Her children, weak with hunger, clung to her like flickering flames. Then, the storm relented. Mary rose. She wrapped her babies in wool, canvas, and willpower, bundled them in layers of desperation and love. And then, barefoot and broken, she stepped into the white void. They walked. 48 hours through endless snowdrifts, no path, no sun, only the heartbeat of a mother refusing to let go. And then, a shape, a blacksmith with fire on his breath, arms strong enough to carry salvation. He brought them home. Mary Allen didn't just survive the storm, she defied it, and in doing so, she became legend. The forgotten times brings forgotten voices back to life. If you felt it, tap the heart. We'll be here again tomorrow with another true story. Share this so it lives on.